Hello everyone, welcome to Ryzel. Today was the video of Etsy course, it's a series of Etsy course, and today we'll talk about how you can source graphics for your Etsy print-on-demand business. I'll let you know about some free websites from where you can source it and some paid websites from where you can get the graphics for your Etsy print-on-demand. So the first one is the freepik.com, that is free of cost. Or go in freepik.com, you'll see some of the results here. Simply go to search, like if I'm searching for, any kind of vintage designs or, flag designs, I'll go here and I will type something that flag vintage, press enter. Make sure you select from assets, like your filter to the vector or, PSTs. It's up to you. Or I will go here for the vector right now. What search, and here I have some results. So you can get these for free. The crowd, you will see a crowd on some images here, on some assets here. It means that these are not included in the free plan. These are included in the paid plan. But other than that, all of the images that are without crown, you can get it for free. So you can just simply, if I like this one actually, and people are selling these kind of designs on Etsy on the shirts. So you will see this, you will just simply go here and click on download. When you click download, you will see go premium or free download. You'll simply go here and click on AI or JPEG to download it for free and then use it on your design on the t-shirt. This is the one website from where you can get free graphics for your Etsy print-on-demand business. The other one is very good, and that is very much in the marketing, that is very easy to use. Maybe to use the freepik designs, you need the help of the software of Adobe, that is Illustrator. If you don't know anything about Illustrator, I will also make a course about that too. But Canva is very handy, and it's very easy for anyone to learn it. So I can go here and I will go for flag vintage. I'll press enter. Okay, I've got the untitled design which I'm not looking for. So, and the Canva, when you open, an article, you'll see some designs here like this one, photo July in here, the floods, and some other like this one is included in the Pro plans. By the way, you can see Pro. If you're using Canva free, you can use other designs that don't have a crown on them. But here you will see some flag options. You can get designs from here. You will search it, and then you click on some design, like if I am going where, let's just select one. If I will go with this one, so you can see I will delete the back side by pressing delete button, selecting it, and really I'll skip the tour. I will delete it. So here I watch my design. I will just simply go and click on share, and share in the download section. I'll select PNG and 1080 by 1080. I'll click download. It will be downloaded to my computer. We simply need to make the account on Canva. The next one is it's paid actually program, that is of Envato Elements. So in Envato Elements, I will just simply type here, and I will go to the first link of the URL, and you can see the pricing of this Envato Elements. It's a yearly plan, also it includes a monthly plan. It's only for $16.5 a month. So you can buy Envato Elements, and if you are a student, you can get 30% off for the students. So it's a very big discount for the students. You can also avail that. So in the Envato, if you will go to the graphics template, or you will go to graphics, I'm going to the graphics for right now, and I will type in the vintage. I'll press enter, and let's see some results. The Envato has very big results. It has a very good assets library, and then in this library you can see typewriters, motorcycles, guitars. This is a very good design to print on the t-shirt here, in this place. This is very good. You can source graphics from Envato Elements, but you need to buy the pay plan. If I click download, and I have to subscribe it to download, and when I click on subscribe, it redirects me to the payment page. So it's a paid plan. The next the website for where you can source graphics is graphics or where back. Press enter. Here you can see graphics here, fonts, logos, and designs. In the graphics section, we can type your render page. For the inverter, I want you to know that if you pay $16 a month, you will get all the assets in that subscription. All right. If you get a yearly subscription, you can download as many as assets you want. That's the best thing about Envato Elements. But for graphics River, you pay for one asset only as you go. Like you see, it's for $17, it's for $6, $4, $9, $15, $8, and any other like that. So for graphics River, you need to pay for the one asset only, one by one. So this is graphics River, and the next and the best one that is suggested also if you are not a designer by yourself, that is Fiverr.com. Simply go to Fiverr.com. I type here T-shirt design. In the t-shirt design, you will see that many people are offering the services for t-shirt designs. Like this one is from like PDR400, many other things like that. If I will go to new embrace street count, I will change the currency to US dollars, whereas easy as to euros. Okay, so now you can see like it's for $5, for $10, $10, $15, $5, $10. So they're all making t-shirt designs for you. They will do everything completely for you and get rid of the final design, so you can upload it on Etsy and do the print on demand business. So this is these are the websites from where you can source your graphics. There are other tons of websites that are provided tree graphics like Canva or like FreePic or Recteasy, and you will find some of more like Recteasy, good option. You can go with that. So this is how you source graphics for your product on demand business. For the free, I would suggest you use FreePic and Canva. That will help you a lot. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching the video. Don't forget to share, like the video, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.